Hey folks, I'm Walter, and for my American friends, have you ever considered cruising during the Thanksgiving holiday? We've done it 5 times and it's fantastic. So here's 5 reasons why I think you should consider a Thanksgiving cruise. Now, number 1, no turkey drama. I mean, you've all been there, right? You've either been at a friend's house, your mom's house, your aunt's house, somebody's house, and the turkey is not cooking right, or the mashed potatoes aren't done, or just the whole meal isn't coming together the way it's supposed to. And there's all the drama going on in the kitchen. Somebody else is cooking the meal for you. You just enjoy the cruise. Number 2, for you football fans, football on the big screen out by the pool on a lot of these ships. I mean, you've got a beer in hand, you got a cocktail in hand, you're out on the ocean. If they have a big screen by the pool, the games are going to be up there. Sometimes they have the games on in the theaters or other places around the ship. So instead of just sitting in your living room, just hanging out, you're hanging out with a whole bunch of new friends watching the football on the big screens. Now, number 3, Thanksgiving cruises are generally cheaper than Christmas and New Year's. So if you're looking to take a holiday cruise, Thanksgiving is generally the cheapest one. It's kind of nice. You kind of get your Christmas on, you know, the Christmas holidays kind of get started with Thanksgiving. Sort of kind of like getting a Christmas cruise. And another little tip, the week after Thanksgiving is usually even cheaper. So if you can take that week after Thanksgiving, that's generally an even cheaper time to go. Now, number 4, no driving. I mean, somebody's got to drive somewhere, right? You got to drive to the house, you have this whole meal, you stay way too long, you're super tired, you got to drive back home. There's no driving involved. You're on a cruise ship. You just got to be able to get yourself back to the cabin. Now, number 5, do I even have to say it? You're on a cruise. I mean, you are in the ocean, you are on a cruise ship, you are being pampered. You know how many of your friends are gonna be jealous and upset? They're gonna say, oh, I can't believe you're going on a cruise, but secretly they're gonna be like, oh God, I wish I was on a cruise with them because I don't have to deal with all this drama. You're on a cruise ship. Do you really need another reason to take a Thanksgiving cruise other than you're gonna be on a cruise ship? So those are my 5 reasons why I think you should take a Thanksgiving cruise. Now here's a bonus tip. If you want to have the turkey dinner on Thanksgiving night, my recommendation is to skip the main dining room. It's really hard to make a good Thanksgiving dinner for, say, 2,000 or so people. When I tried it, it was kind of like a Piccadilly cafeteria. Go up to the buffet, where they usually have turkey at the carving station. It's generally more moist, it has more flavor to it, and they're cutting it fresh just for you as you ask for it. So if you really want that turkey dinner, go up to the buffet. Now, what about the rest of you? Have you taken Thanksgiving cruise? Do you have any other reasons why you like to take those cruises? I'd love to hear it in the comments below. And if you like what we're doing, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for your support.